Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry, and today we're back for another Discord bot guide looking at Aqua Music. It's a music bot that plays music from Soundcloud, Spotify, and YouTube. It has the vast majority of the core features that you would want out of a music bot without a whole host of extra complicated frills that tend to just confuse users rather than make it easier to listen to music. So to invite it, all you have to do is hit up their top.gg page. I will link this in the video description below. Click on the big pink invite button. It'll walk you through the standard Discord bot invite process. Let it have all of the permissions that it wants, and then you can get to playing some music. So after that, you'll want to hop into your Discord server and pop into a voice channel like I have here, where you can then properly communicate with the bot and start playing music. The first thing you're going to want to do is at the bot, at Aqua Music, and type help, because help is going to give you a list of all of the commands that you're going to need to get started. So one of the things that I like about these bots is it makes it easy to search for different music. So I'm going to search for NCS, no copyright sounds. I always do that in my videos because it won't get me in trouble with the YouTube copyright police. And then once it pops up this little pull down menu, I can select which one of these songs that I want to queue up for the bot. And then it'll automatically start playing, or at least it should, and then you'll start to hear your song almost immediately. Although I will say, bots can get kind of laggy depending on what time of day you're using them, the status of the Discord servers at the time, and also just general lag when you're doing in the middle of peak hours. So it'll start playing that song, and I can keep adding stuff to the queue by just searching for more music and searching through the pull-down menu of all the top results. And as I click away, it'll keep adding them to the queue. And I have two ways I can check the queue. I can hit the button that says queue, and then it'll tell me what's currently playing and what's up next, along with a list of the other songs currently in the queue. I can also at the bot again, and I can type in the command queue, and that'll also tell me what's going on with the bot. I can pause it, again, either with a button or by using the command. And then I can also do resume. So all the basic commands are there, and you can search for music. I think the search feature is primarily through YouTube by the sounds of it, or by the looks of it. But you can also grab music from Spotify and also from SoundCloud if you have a link to some of the content that you want to play. There's also things that you can do, like pull up the lyrics if the song has lyrics listed. You can also, remove duplicates. And you can also use the fix command, which helps to try to set the bot up in a voice chat region server-wise that has the least amount of latency so everyone can hear it with the best quality, which is actually something I really like. So I could just do at Aquabot fix. Whoops, I added myself. And then it'll automatically try to reload into a different region so that it tries to use the one with the lowest latency. So if I go to my voice chat channel and I check the settings, it looks like it didn't change it since it's in the same automatic region, but it's good that it checks. Like, we can ping it as well and see what the ping is. So the ping is 37 milliseconds, so that's not bad. That's actually pretty good. These things can lag because of the current status of the Discord servers or whatever, so sometimes it's just hit or miss whether or not your Discord music bot is going to behave itself, depending on the day. And then if we want to, they also have a few different filters, but you'll have to end up paying for that. So if I did like at Aqua Music and I typed in like Vaporwave, it'll tell me that I need to subscribe to their Patreon if I want to get some of these premium perks. So let's have a look-see what premium costs. So it looks like basic premium is $3 a month, medium is $5, and Prime Plus is $9 a month, which is about on par for other music bots. It's just a matter of, do you like the premium perks, which is usually some of the more advanced commands that give you more administrative control, along with these filters. Me personally, I don't really use filters all that much. I barely use music bots. So a lot of this stuff is kind of pointless to me. But you can do things like use the set DJ command to set a DJ and enable 24/7 commands if you want. So, in fact, let's set up a DJ. Let's do Aqua Music, set DJ, and then the DJ role is just DJ. I keep things simple. Oh, okay, so we have to add it. So at Aqua Music, set DJ, add DJ. Oh, so I have to mention the role. So Aqua Music, set DJ, add at DJ. And then boom, that should set up the DJ role. Perfect. And so the reason why you want a DJ is because that allows people, without having to vote skip or vote to remove a song, you can designate people that use the music bot a lot as being the admin of the music bot, which makes it easier for them to change things up, to add music to the queue and all of that. And they can also remove stuff as well. Just think of it as like the music admin. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. I will put the links in the video description so you to check out Aqua Music yourself. It's a relatively simple bot to use. It's just that rather than using slash commands or just using a listener, you actually have to @ the bot in order for it to do things. Because when I tried to just type in basic commands, it didn't seem to be listening. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.